Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and again, this is Ali. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel and thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. So today is, alam nyo ang kantang Binibining Marikit. Sikat ang kantang to and gusto ko siyang gawa ng makeup look. I will do my best na gayahin or magiging binibining marikit tayo today. And of course, hindi naman lahat kasi definition pag sinabing maganda or yung may kanya-kanya kasi tayong definition ng ideal girl or perfect girl, ganon. So, pwedeng ideal girl ng iba is yung mabait, matalino, mapagbigay, lahat ganon. Yung hindi lang lahat purong ganda, ganon. So, mabuti din yung may mabuting kalooban si Binibining Marikit. Ganon, hindi lang puros ganda girl. Okay, simulan na natin. Okay, lip balm. Next is moisturizer. Oops. Ano po yung moisturizer na ipinakita ko sa previous vlogs is yun pa din po yung moisturizer ko. Next is cream. Oops. Whatever cream na anong meron kayo, yun na lang yung cream yung gamitin nyo. Next is ano ba yan? Maglalagay tayo ng foundation. So guys, it is important na ma-blend natin yung foundation sa face natin. Next is we're going to put eyebrows. So ngayon, ang inspiration ng video na to is si Binibining Marikit. So I'm using this kind of pencil. Kasi light lang naman to siya. So today is, kung ano yung shape ng kilay ko is, susundin ko lang siya. I will not form any shape ng, or hindi ko siya i-deform yung shape ng kilay ko para parang natural lang siya. Ganun. Next is concealer. Alright, so okay na po yung eyebrows natin. And next is yung eyeshadow. So by the way guys, I have a new palette. This one. I ordered this sa Shopee. And this is only 100 plus. This is not super pigmented, but at least I have. Alright, so let's start. For the eyeshadow, super ingay. So I'm gonna use this brush. Use this color. So this is light brown. This one. That one. Guys, before I will put eyeshadow, so nilalagyan ko muna siya ng concealer. Why? Because like what I said, hindi po super or hindi pigmented yung mga palette ko. So, if I use this is parang mas nakikita yung color ng palette. i-apply na natin yung color na gusto natin sa eyeshadow. Lalagyan ko siya ng bright color or pang spark. This one. So, para siyang gold. Ganito. Para bago ko siya lagyan ng something pang highlight sa eyes, is lalagyan ko muna siya ulit ng concealer. Okay, so today okay, so ngayon is maglalagay tayo ng eyeliner. Alright guys, so maglalagay din ako ng eyeshadow dito sa under eye. Kung anong ginamit kong kulay dito sa eyelid ko is yun din yung gagamitin ko dito sa under eye ko. Next is I'm gonna use this brush para maglagay ng highlighter. So mamaya na ako maglalagay ng lashes. So magko-contour muna tayo. So I'm gonna contour here, there, and there using this brush. And then I'm going to blend it with using this is face powder. So I'm using this brush. Next is blush on. So this, I'm gonna use this blush on. So, okay lang din yan ka-light na blush on. Then, highlighter. Feeling ko kulang pa yung face powder. Next is we're going to curl our lashes. I like it. So guys, I'm gonna use this lipstick. This is lip and cheek tint. This is Pretty Secret with the shade of Rosy Red. Like, this is really red. So let's try. Oh my god. Di pala siya red na red. May paka-rosy red. Kaya nga rosy red yung shade. Hindi ko siya bet. So, let's try to mix it this one. So, alright. Parang gusto ko siya. So, I wanna add some more highlighter. Okay guys, so magbibihis muna ako and just stay there.
Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko, binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay buong habang buhay na ito. Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko, binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay pang habang buhay na ito.
Ayan guys, so this is my final look. And guys, so by the way guys, yung lipstick na ginamit ko, this is what it looks like now. So ganito siya pag didikit na siya sa skin mo. Oh. Hindi siya madaling matanggal and super long lasting. And guys, so this is my final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, siguraduhin mag-subscribe ka na sa akin channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss my future videos. So guys, abangan nyo pala yung next video ko, and this is requested from my friends. So I hope that you will watch it and stay tuned guys. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in my next vlog.